Ajax Classic Free and Clear is an outstanding, outstanding laundry detergent. And it's not just for sensitive skin, it's for preventing skin irritation. And, there's so much chemicals and dyes and perfumes and gunk in laundry detergent these days. So to have a product that can actually clean your towels, your sheets, your bedding, your shirts, your shorts, your clothes, your socks, everything. Really give it an intense, like a Tide like deep clean, like a super deep clean, without then covering it up with all those chemicals and dyes and perfumes and stuff that can cause skin irritation. So, um, yeah, I think this is for everyone. I think that, I'm surprised that this stuff isn't more popular and that this stuff isn't flying off the shelves and more popular than Tide, but you see it now. More brands are doing this paraben free, free of dyes, free of perfume type of laundry detergent, and it's so much gentler on the skin. It's so much better for the skin in every way, and this stuff is just amazing. Gets my clothes super clean. I really, really could not be happier.